Okay, it's Wednesday, January 18th. This is a morning SPY update about 45 minutes into trading. You can see here that the market was kind of skewing to the upside of its pre-market range. Like yesterday, there was if you were looking at the 5-minute chart in this case, because we started a little bit down, you got that 5-minute red to green, looking for it to that 15-minute chart to confirm with a breakthrough of the pre-market high. So if we go to the 15-minute chart, you did end up with the inside bar on bar number 2, and then it started above that high, but then you have a bit of a shooter bar here. So I'm getting a little nervous in terms of if this market kind of gives you a 2 down bar in here, I would have to break even on that trade and watch it more closely and see what unfolds. If we break below this first bar low, then I can see the possibility of us, working down on the day, maybe failing after this big run up on the daily chart and having a 2 up kind of failure type of thing. Well, we haven't reached that the high yet, so it's a little tricky, but at this point, I'd watch that 15-minute chart real closely. You should have had the follow through by now. You can always break even. You can always, if we hold in here and have a big green bar, you can always re-enter. So I'm just saying, the way I'm seeing that 15-minute chart unfolding, we're up. If you just look at the chart by itself, we have that inside bar. This bar should have broken out strongly. It's kind of holding in here. It might want to do it, but if we end up coming 2 down here, I would be exiting and then looking, for like right now, just it's time to, I think, get out and see if this ends up being, we're still an inside day here, so I could still see chopping around before the breakout. But at this point, I'd want to be more conservative about it, just in case we break below here, really fail in some way, then start working down towards those pre-market, and yesterday's lows. So let's see what develops here. I'd be out, break even kind of trade. Market doesn't seem to want to follow through right out of the gates, but let me kind of see what unfolds now relative to this first bar.